Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm actually in Spain right now. Been in Valencia for the last couple of weeks, but now my friend Maria and I have come on a road trip to Granada. See, it's a city with a lot of history down in the Andalusia region of Spain. And we've just arrived at the Monasterio de San Jerónimo. How's my pronunciation? Good? Creo que no, eh? Bueno. And it's pretty cool. Yeah, so we're just gonna have a bit of a look around Granada today. Some nice old buildings, nice old neighborhoods, a lot of like Moorish influence and influence from the Musulmanes. Yeah, lots of fair bit of Muslim influence here as well, from when the south of Spain was ruled by the Muslim Empire. So yeah, let's have a look around. Alright, so we've been wandering around Granada for a little while now. I've just reached the Centro Histórico, which is the historical center of Granada, and it is simply stunning. Cobblestone streets, small laneways, beautiful old medieval buildings. So that was a fascinating building. First it was a Muslim mosque, then later it became a city building, like a local council building. Later still it was a university, and then something to do with the Catholics. I can't quite remember, but incredible. Such a mix of history and culture in that one building. It really was fascinating. So I've just wandered into a university, and it's absolutely incredible. All built from stone, old marble, tiles. It's just one of the most incredible buildings I've ever been in, and it's actually still used to this day as a university here in Granada. So we're just walking up El Paseo de los Tristes, which is a walkway that runs up kind of between Alhambra and El Barrio del Albaicín. It's beautiful. There's ancient ruins on the right hand side, and you've got the beautiful old architecture of the Musulman era on the left hand side. So we've headed a bit further up the hill from Albaicin, and we're in the Barrio Sacramonte, which when the Catholics took back over Granada, this is where all the gypsies came to live, and it's built right into the side of the hill. Valparaiso, the hill's called. And so I was just reading that all the homes are of different sizes and shapes, because it was however they could sort of hew them into the hillside depended on how the home was built. And some of them are actually built like caves, so they have a facade and like a cave-like structure in the back. Pretty cool. Alright, so we're just wandering around Barrio Sacramonte, and found a gentleman who was offering tours of one of the old cave houses. Yeah, it's incredible. They're literally, I mean, this is the roof, the walls, you can see sort of how rough it still is. It's literally just hewn out of the hillside, and they coat it with cal, which I think is like a calcium type thing, or like a plaster, and that's it, paint it white, and that's it, and it's beautiful. Like, you know, outside it's quite hot, but in here it's just like a beautiful even temperature. He was saying that before the poorer people from Granada would live here, but now they're very sought after, these sort of houses, by the rich, so it's quite an expensive area to live now. But yeah, it's super cool. And this is a photo from 1871, and we are about here now. These are the little calle streets that crisscross the hill, and this was all cactus and vegetation. Incredible. You can see the facade of the house here, and up above is this hillside. It's literally dug straight into that hillside. So cool. Check out this van. So that was a bit of a look around Granada, with the barrios, Centro Histórico, and a bit of a look at the Alhambra, which we'll be going to visit tomorrow. And what better way to finish off the day in Granada than with the classical beer and tapas. Feliz? Bueno, hasta mañana. Ciao.